Good morning, children. We continue with least common multiple. We had already done sums on least common multiple, but this method, I had showed you a prime factor method. This is a multiple method which I happen to skip. So here we go. Least common multiple LCM, the least common multiple of the given numbers, is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. HCF is highest common factor and LCM is least common multiple. Now we have taken two numbers 6 and 7. Now 6 and 7, as you know, they are co-primes. Okay, so 6 and 7, take out the multiple, that is write the table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, like that till 10 you write down for this table. Same way 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, and so on till 10 we have written down. Now you can see what is common in both. 42, the first common multiple. Okay, later on you'll have some more multiples which are common, but we are not interested in that. The first common multiple is the smallest common multiple, and that is the LCM. So the smallest common multiple over here is 42. Okay, so if we continue this table further, we might get a common multiple still more, but we are interested only in the smallest one. So LCM of 6 and 7 is 42, and in other words you can say 6 7s are 42. So whenever it's a co-prime number, there is no need to write this multiples. You can directly find out the LCM by multiplying them. So 6 and 7 are co-prime numbers. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. That means when you multiply them, you get the LCM, children. Now see, for example, second example, I'll show you 2 and 3. These are also co-prime numbers. You all know what is co-prime numbers. I had explained in the last video. So let us write 2's table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Same way, write down for 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now here 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Here you can see the first common multiple is 6. So underline that. Okay. Now you here one more. 12 is common. Which other number you can find common? 18. You can see 18 is there in 2 as well as. So now see, after in this common multiples 18, 12 and 6, which is the smallest one? 6. So 6 is your LCM. So LCM is the smallest common multiple, that is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Hope it's easy to understand. Okay, so these are also co-prime numbers. 2 3s are 6. So no need of writing like this table. If at all you have to find out the LCM of any two co-prime numbers, you have to just multiply them and write their LCM. Similarly, you can do for 3 numbers also. Any 3 numbers, for example 2 3 4. Okay, so you can do the same procedure for those numbers also. Now let us start with practice set 14. The first one you have to do as self-study. First question number 1. Okay, second one, find the HCF and LCM. We have to find out the HCF and LCM of the same sums. Okay, so the first one is 14 and 28. Look at the numbers 14 and 28. They are found in the table of 7. 14 and 28. When we have such numbers, children, where they are found in the same table, 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28. So such numbers, we will find that the smallest number is the HCF and the biggest number is their LCM. So remember, if you find the numbers which are given to be found, HCF and LCM, are found in the same table, one table, then the smallest one is your HCF, and the biggest one is your LCM. Look, for example, 14. Take out the prime factors. 2 sevens are 14. 28. 2 twos are 4. 4 sevens are 28. Common factor, 2 sevens are 14, and 14 is your HCM. LCM is common into uncommon. So common is 14 and uncommon, what is left is 2. So 14 twos are 28. So as I told you, 14 is the HCF and 28 is the LCM. Now we go on for the second sum. 32 and 16. Yes, that's right. Both are in 2's table. They are also in 8's table. They are also in 4's table. So that means 16 will be the HCF and 32 will be the LCM. Let's find out. See, I have used the prime factor method. So you can just use this prime factor method which I have taught in the last video. Once more, I'll repeat. 2 16s are 32, or 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Till here we have 2 common. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is common to both the numbers. So 16 is your HCF and LCM is with this 2 common. Uncommon, 16 2s are 32. So this is how you are getting 16 as the HCF and 32 as the LCM. Now we do that for the 3 numbers. If at all you have to find out HCF and LCM for 3 numbers, look at the numbers 17, 102, 170. Find out the prime factor. 17 is a prime number. So 17 only, because 17 ones are 17. 102, find out the prime factor. 2 into 3 into 17. And 170, 2 into 5 into 17. Now in this you find out the common factor. Common factor is, you can see 17 for all the 3. So when 17 is common for all the 3, 17 is the highest common factor of all the 3. That is 17, 102, 170. 17 is the HCF. Now LCM will be common into uncommon. So what is uncommon? 17 is common, 3, 2 and 5. So we got to multiply that. So here we have 17 into 2, 17 into 2 into 3 into 5. That gives us 510. So 510 is the LCM. Hope it's understood